Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Please like, share and subscribe.
Now I am showing cabbage manchuria. For that we require cabbage finely chopped, carrot grated, boiled potato, beans finely chopped, salt, tomato ketchup, chili powder, garlic which has to be chopped finely, maida, green chilies, capsicum, corn flour, ginger, and the last one spring onions. Now take this mashed potato and also carrot. Few beans. This is up to you. You can take like if at all you want more, you can take more beans. I am taking little less and the carrot more. Little chilies. Spring onions little. As it is season, I am taking this. Otherwise, these are not mandatory. Maida, 1 cup. Corn flour, 1 cup. Not 1 cup, like half a cup. Chili powder, 2 small spoons. Salt, 2 small spoons. Now you need to mix all these. Now take small rounds like this. Make small rounds like this. Okay. Make all the rounds and fry them in the oil. Now put them in the oil and fry. Look at those now. They are frying to golden brown like this. Let them fry for some more time. Roll them in the oil like this so that they'll get fried on all the sides. Frying on the medium flame so that the vegetable like mixture what is inside also gets fried up nicely. Almost looks golden brown. Let us remove. The manchuria which we fried in the oil, those dumplings will be like this. These are supposed to be fried again to get ready to eat. Put 2 spoons of oil. The pan is enough hot. Green chilies. capsicum, then beans, then little spring onion, ginger, garlic, now mix all these well. Let them fry for 2 minutes. Now add, almost all of them are fried. Now add little ketchup, like around 1.5 spoon. Now mix again. You can also add soya sauce. In place of chili sauce, anyways I added enough chilies. Soya sauce I won't add generally, because this tomato ketchup itself gives the enough flavor to Manchuria. Soya sauce, that also gives dark color to Manchuria, but that's fine. When you make for children, it's better to avoid soya sauce if you made it frequently. Almost done. Our Manchuria is ready. Now the Manchuria are ready. Now garnish with spring onion and coriander. Get those. They will taste really yummy. Make those by watching this video and enjoy with your family. Stay home, stay safe.